This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. Pull forward on the filter cover to open it. Pull down on the filter or bypass plug and out as seen here. Pull out on the right side of the cover and unhook it, then the left side. Pinch the rear cover to unclip it from the ceiling. Remove the single Phillips screw that secures the filter head. Pull down on the filter head, press in on the collars at the connection points, and pull out the water lines to remove the filter head. Before installing the new filter head, pull down on the white water line, the dispenser line, and make a mark a ½ inch from the end, as shown here. Use this mark to ensure you push the water line deep enough into the filter head. You may need to use a pair of pliers to push the hose into the head, as there is not much length and it's hard to get a hold of it. Be careful not to damage the hose. Insert the black hose as well. This one tends to go in easier, so you won't need the pliers. Before fastening the filter head, insert a bypass plug or filter and test for leaks by dispensing water, as seen here. Now remove the plug and fasten the filter head to the ceiling. Reattach the rear cover. Reattach the main cover. Reinstall the filter or bypass plug and close the cover.